Welcome to Reach Tip of the Day. Today's topic will be waterline testing. Depending on your state and its requirements of how frequent you should test your water lines, you should check with your state's guidelines. Our recommendation is Quick Pass by ProEdge, and what we like about this is it's fairly inexpensive and it's done in-house. They do recommend that you do an annual third-party testing, and they have a kit that they provide that you could do your waterline testing and send it off to be third-party tested annually. But with the Quick Pass, what you want to do, it's very quick, very easy. It consists of a little blue paddle in a clear vial, and you can test one operatory per test. You take the paddle out of the vial and fill the vial with a little bit from everything that uses water in that operatory. So this particular operatory has 2 air-water syringes. So you take a water sample, a little bit from each water syringe, and a little bit of water from your handpiece tubing, add to it, and every handpiece tubing that uses water. And then if there's a Cavitron in hygiene, take a little bit of water test from that. Once you have this full of the water, you put the blue paddle back in, you let it sit face down in a drawer for about a minute. After the minute, you take it out, pull the paddle out, empty the water, put the paddle back in, then return it to a dark drawer face down for 48 to 72 hours. What that's doing is it's incubating any bacteria colonies that are on that paddle. After 48, 72 hours, you take the paddle out, and then you take your little diagram here and you read where it's at, from pass to fail, depending on the discoloration on the paddle. You should do this, and when you're initially starting up testing, you should do this monthly. When you get 3 consecutive passes, that's when you should go ahead and switch to quarterly testing. So that's your Reach Tip of the Day.